Microsoft Word 2016 is obviously one of the best word editing or office used application because of its numerous features that can actually assist you. But in today's tutorial, our attention will be focusing on orientations. Okay, orientations is actually found under layout actually have that orientation. So if you open Microsoft Word and you're up there, instead of clicking on file or document, or you can click on file or homes or menu or insert or design, just come to the layout. Under the layout, come down here where you have orientations. Now, what is orientations about? Well, in our previous tutorial, we did talk about how to use margin and so on, and how to mix both portrait and landscape. All right, but orientation actually allowed you to decide the document whether it will be on portrait or landscape. Well, by default it's portrait, but however, you can make a choice. Take for example, if you choose portrait to your document, that means you are telling the entire document to turn to portrait. But if you choose landscape, you are telling your document to be landscape. So that is how you choose portrait or landscape. Okay, all right, now let's say it out. Clicking on portrait, if you observe from my document here, you will see that in all the pages they are portrait. Now you don't even need to select. Now let's go to the landscape. Choosing a landscape will automatically change the document to landscape, so there is no much do and do not when it comes to orientation. Just open there with your document, click on either portrait or landscape. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. It's a brief tutorial on how to use orientations. If you do, please subscribe and like and share this video. Hope to see you in our next tutorial. Stay tuned as we discuss something more that will be of great benefit to each and every one of us. Bye for now.